Hi and welcome to the instruction manual for the automatic page generator for Opencart. First of all, to get started, once you've installed Opencart and it's working, make sure you enable SEO URLs. Without SEO URLs, this mod doesn't work. Go to System, Settings, Edit, Server, and select Yes to SEO URLs. On some versions of Opencart, you'll be asked to rename the htaccess file. If you're asked to do this, please do this. You need to upload a quick fix for Opencart because some of the recent versions of Opencart have a major issue. The very recent versions like 3.037, I think, and 3.036 and 5 may not work with this mod. So you may have to let us know. We will try and get it to work for you. You install the mod through OC Mod in the control panel. Click on Extensions, Installer, Upload. Upload the auto Opencart page generator.oc mod file. If you get any error, simply log out and in and try again. Now refresh the mods by clicking Extension, Modification, Refresh. That's the blue one, this one. Now, once you've done that, you can choose to have the tags anywhere on the page by going to Layouts, Product, and then place the tags wherever you want on the page. Maybe you want it on the sidebar. If you have a sidebar, maybe underneath the product, even though they're already there by default. The tags are going to be there by default, so you won't really have to do this step. You can skip this step if you want. Now it's finally time to create the dynamic content for your pages. Go to the page linked myvideomenu.com/autopage-generator-for-Opencart. Fill in the form and click submit. Now in the form you'll have tons of options, and each option is related to something else on the site. In order to create the dynamic page, we've made about 7 or 8 different types of text. Now depending on what type of tags you're going to be using, that will depend on whether or not what you want to write in these boxes. For example, if you're writing in model numbers, you may want to write in the first text box model number, for example, the words model number. That way when the page is generated, the sentences will make sense. But if you're doing features, for example, if you have a list of features you want to make pages for, then you may want to write this product features and then colon. If you're doing it for locations, then you may want to write you can get this item at and then colon, for example, in the first text box, for example. That way it will make sense and the language will flow, and then Google won't notice that it's an automatically generated page. So you need to be very thought out when doing this. And it's okay to make mistakes because you can always go back to the My Video menu platform and edit your inputs. Once you've done that, you click on Submit, grab the code in one click, and take it back to your Opencart installation. Click on Design, Theme Editor, Product.twig, then click the blue button, Edit. Scroll to the bottom. Before the footer tag, the footer with the 2 squirrely brackets, paste your code right there and save. Leave this page open in case you need to change it, and go and refresh the page that you've just created and go and see how it looks. Now, every time you list a new product, make sure to add as many tags as you can think of for it, because each tag is going to be a newly indexed page with a unique meta title and a unique meta description and page context, all from one single word. Now remember, this app takes your title of the product and the manufacturer name from the product to create all of this content. So that's what's going to make each and every page tag page unique, and Google won't notice that it's automatically generated. That's why this is really a very powerful tool. Now, because we want to actually provide good content to our clients and we don't want to manipulate Google in any way, we recommend that you do this properly and don't use this in a spammy way. If you use this in a spammy way, this will not get you results. So make sure you use this in a proper way, and then you can have very big benefits from Google. Because if you do this incorrectly and you just spam the internet with content, then Google will notice that there's a very high bounce rate from your website, and that could penalize your website. So make sure you do this properly. It doesn't take so long. It took us so many hours to make this product because we wanted to do it right in a way that's acceptable by Google. So please take advantage in the best way and start making a lot of money. This was Daniel from OpencartFantasy.com. Thank you for listening, and bye for now.